Hello, good morning everybody, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to do a unboxing. So let's open it. And it tells you what's inside. And inviting you to the beginning of a beautiful journey. And then you get this to $60 gift card if you buy something. Look what I got! First is, it's called the over the knee textured. Like a socks. Okay. I can use this. And then the next one is, oh, this is the Thrive Cosmetic. It's for to make your eye brighter. Oh. Can you see that? There. It's for my eye. Right there. With body cream. So, body cream. Ooh. Oh my god, I always want this one because my hair gets so dry. So look at this. It's the oil for my hair. It's Margan Keratin. It's got this for a long time, but it's so expensive that I didn't wanna buy it. It's right here. It's for your hair. Ooh, perfect. Like after, I think you can put this after you shower. Like that. Smells good too. Like a cream. It's not oil, it's a cream. Oh, wait a minute. See, it's for dry and damaged hair. Yes, my hair is dry. So the next one is Lily Sagdo. What is it? It's a necklace! I got a necklace! Although I didn't really put like a necklace in my profile. I don't want any kind of jewelry. But they gave me a necklace. So we'll see. Why did they give me a necklace? Oh, it is beautiful too. This necklace. I got a necklace. I love it. I'm gonna wear this. Actually, I have a dentist today at 1 o'clock. And it's 12:10 right now. So I gotta go in 20 minutes. Oh, this is so cute. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Because it kind of blended on my shirt. Because it's gray. This one's gray. 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 And silver. So it's really hard to see. But it's beautiful. I like it. Well, that's a surprise because what I put there, I don't want any kind of necklace. And then, oh, a lipstick. Lipstick. I don't know if you can see. There you go. Ooh, perfect. I like that. Maybe I should try it. Nice. Oh, I thought it's red, but it's brown. Well, it's kind of natural. I already have a lipstick. All right. I like natural anyway. And the next one is an eye mask. Another eye mask. Can you see? I don't know. That one. Oh, another one is there you go. For my face again. I think you know I'm getting older. I need it, so I got it. And the last one, but yep, that's it. I got this. It's like I know everyone gets it, but I prefer gray, but I got a brown. So it's like for winter, you can use this one wherever you go. Like a shawl. Oh, it's so soft actually, which is kind of nice. There you go. Ah, now we can talk. I should have some coffee. This is good with coffee, right? It's like a blanket or something. Oh, it is so soft. And it's really good for winter. When you go outside and just you're lazy to put your coat, and you just do that. All right, so I got this 1, 2, 3, 4, the necklace, 5, a cream mask, socks. Oh, this is kind of perfect with this. And for my eye, to hide like a concealer underneath that one. And another eye mask. It's good for nighttime. I think I'm gonna use that. Oh yeah, this is the one for the necklace. I thought this one's for the necklace. Oh yeah, it is for the necklace. It's the same. It's just one. And I got this for my face. Oh, it's a body cream actually, like a lotion. Seaweed body cream. Let me get. Gotta open that one. Oh, it's like a lotion because during winter, my skin really gets so dry. Yes, that is true. Not just for me, but for everybody in the United States during winter time. So yeah, smells so good, but it's not strong good. Like it's light smell. I like that. I don't want to be like overpowering smell. I want some kind of like light smell, but it's good. I like it. Perfect. Oh, I forgot the counting. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, 9. So I got 9. Why is it only 9? Last time I got 10. Yes, last time I got 10 and only got 9 today, but it's okay. My favorite one is I actually like this too, and this one, the oil for my hair, I could really use it. And also is this, the necklace, which actually I'm surprised they gave me. This is okay. I already done opening the box, but I just want to thank you to all my subscribers for sticking with me.
Sa mga kapamilya natin na gusto talagang malaman kung ano yung mga tour sa Pilipinas o kahit sa ibang bansa, mag-subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ng aking auntie si Elvis Elvis Family YouTube channel. Subscribe na.